Hey there, welcome. Today I want to talk to you about a game-changing product that has completely transformed my TV viewing experience, the Amazon Fire TV 50-inch Omni QLED Series 4K UHD Smart TV. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine coming home after a long day, ready to unwind and relax in front of the TV. With the Amazon Fire TV, that experience just got a whole lot better. This TV is not just for anyone looking for a good TV, it's for the person who wants to take their viewing experience to the next level. Let's talk about the benefits and features of this amazing smart TV. First off, the picture quality is absolutely stunning. With 4K UHD and Dolby Vision IQ, every scene comes to life with vibrant colors and sharp details. The local dimming feature ensures that you get the deepest blacks and the brightest whites, creating a truly immersive viewing experience. But the Amazon Fire TV is not just about watching your favorite shows and movies, it's also about creating an ambience in your living room. The Fire TV ambient experience allows you to set the mood with beautiful visuals and calming sounds, turning your TV into a piece of art when not in use. Now, let's talk about how you can use this amazing TV in your everyday life. Whether you're watching a movie with your family, catching up on your favorite TV show, or even playing video games, the Amazon Fire TV has got you covered. And the best part? You can control it all without lifting a finger, thanks to the hands-free Alexa feature. Now, you might be wondering how the Amazon Fire TV stacks up against other smart TVs on the market. Let me tell you, I've done my research and this TV is truly a cut above the rest. With its sleek design, top-notch picture quality, and advanced features, it's a no-brainer for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment system. Before I wrap things up, let me share a few tips on how you can make the most out of your Amazon Fire TV. Explore the wide range of apps available. Customize your settings to suit your preferences. And don't forget to take advantage of the Alexa voice control for a truly hands-free experience. So, if you're ready to elevate your TV viewing experience, the Amazon Fire TV 50-inch Omni QLED Series 4K UHD Smart TV is the way to go. Trust me, once you start using this TV, you'll never look back. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below and make the Amazon Fire TV a part of your home today. You won't regret it. Happy watching!